Here is Jaco App. It's kind of alternative to TikTok, so you can definitely take a look at it. This is more Arabian audience app, and yeah, this kind of looks exactly like TikTok. It's live streaming short videos. It's a place where different communities, entertainment, sports, music, gaming come together for a good time. On Jaco, you can discover live streaming, audio, chat, PK, and short videos to experience the unique cultural atmosphere. Whether you want to be an audience or content creator, Jaco is the spot to be for a fun and engaging experience. So yeah, I just went on and created an account. Here's how it looks like.
ازاي
Just basically have a lot of videos, a lot of live content in here, a lot of Arabian content audience. You can then just discover feed. You can then post videos. You can have your inbox, messages, notifications, and then you have your profile. And you can also earn revenue in this app. You can get some bounties, just participate in some video bounties, and then you have your wallet where you can get coins, and if you're a creator you can earn revenue and withdraw it. So yeah, that's the app. The thing is, if you're a TikTok refugee and you don't know where to go, like this app doesn't have that big of American audience, and if you have more like Arabian content, you can definitely give a try to this app. Otherwise, not sure they have a lot of American audience in here. But yeah, quite a nice app. I was surprised. So there you have it.